Dear friends and colleagues, I hope to see you at the SERGS meeting in Madrid this year. My presentation is going to be on what's the mental preparation that a surgeon needs to do at his best. In other words, how do you get to that level where you are in the zone, where you're flowing one with the surgery and the patient? And then my second presentation is those disasters that happen in surgery to anybody. How can you prevent those, and how can you manage those immediately? I hope to see you in Madrid, and I hope you're having a great 2024.